Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in the same outfit as I was in the previous video about my New Zealand trip, because I'm sitting here and I'm knocking all these videos out in one hit because I go back to work and I don't know when I'll have the opportunity to sit down, and the things I wanted to get through, I needed to get it up because they're late as it is, because I've been away for 2 weeks and I've had my Bellabox subscription come through. And I also picked up my my Mecca Beauty Loop box from the airport when I got back to Australia. So I want to unbox them and show you what's in them, and also show you the couple little makeup items I bought whilst I was at Mecca and duty free. Nothing much. I didn't spend a lot of money on makeup because I wanted to spend money on souvenirs from New Zealand, so it certainly wasn't that wasn't my focus of the trip, was to buy makeup. So we'll start off with the items I bought myself. So the first one I got was the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette. So I got this at Mecca before I left. So this is it. It's just a glitter shadow palette. The reason I got it was it was half price at Mecca, so it was down to $40 Australian. There is no way I would have paid $80 for it. That's $10 an eyeshadow. I'm like, no. But they're lovely, lovely shades of glitter toppers, if you want to, I suppose, call it that. I'm just going to swatch a few and show you. So we've just got a few there. And it was really nice to actually have on the trip, just to add a bit of sparkle to some outfits that I wore, like for theme nights and things like that. So that was, it was a nice little addition. I'm happy only paying $40 for it. Would I recommend it for $80? No. But it's cool. The case is cool. I love the embedded glitter and the etched out moon dust. It's a cool little palette to have. It's an addition to my collection. It's not stuff that I had a lot of, so I didn't feel bad about getting that. And then the thing I got, because it's absolutely amazingly beautiful and I really wanted one once I saw that they were being released, was the MAC Chinese New Year lipsticks. So I got the colour Ruby Woo. It's what I'm wearing at the moment. So you can see that it is a beautiful metallic red with Chinese inlay. The lipstick itself, Ruby Woo, is a classic. I haven't owned it before. I like red lipsticks. I don't need another red lipstick at all, but I really liked the packaging, and so I grabbed that at duty free. And yeah, so that was my two little makeup purchases. Nothing crazy. We'll get into our unboxings now. So my Mecca Beauty Loop level 2 box, I went and picked that up. So what we got in this? Here we go. So there's the card on top, tells us what's in there. I got a Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, deluxe sample size, travel size. These are the kind of mascaras I like because I use them up and before they dry out. So I prefer to have those sample sizes. I've got a Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly, which is good because I've just run out of my moisturiser, so that's helpful. Got a sample of the Bare Minerals Vital Power Infusion. So a serum. So I've got a sample of that. I don't know how much is in there. We've got 7.5 mils, which isn't too bad for a serum. Get a few uses out of that. And a little, what are they called? Packet of Dr. Barbara Sturm Glow Drops, which I assume is things to add into foundation and things like that. So yeah, so this is obviously the card that tells you what the products are about. It was good. I didn't, usually because I live in a remote area, I have to purchase something to get my Mecca box, but it was good. I was in the airport, slipped in and got it, so that was good. Just a little freebie. And then the last thing that I'm going to unbox is obviously this last month's Bellabox. So, well, January's Bellabox. So what we've got in here is our card. This is Happy New Year, and the information of what we've got on the back. So what did we get? We got a So Susan liquid matte. It is valued at $14 US, so we're probably looking at about $20 Australian. And I got it in the shade Pumpkin. Been really into these burnt orangey brown colours recently, so I'm just gonna swatch that. Oh, it's got an interesting smell. It smells like Midori. I don't know if yeah, interesting. So that is the swatch of the Pumpkin. Oh, that's really nice. And then there is a Mallow lip pencil, which is kind of cool because Mallow is a New Zealand cosmetic company. I would have loved to have gone into a store and had a look while I was there, but that wasn't high up on my want to do thing. I wanted to see New Zealand, not makeup, so I didn't get into a store. But I have had a few of their products in subscription box, and they're really nice. Their liquid eyeliner is amazing. So I got it in the shade Maya. So it's a deep pink. Would be kind of deep pinky mauve colour. So got that. That felt nice going on. I got a sample of the Cancer Council Face Day Wear Moisturiser Matte Invisible SPF 50. It's pretty cool. Got a package of black charcoal wipes. They're always good to just throw in the overnight kit when you go travelling. We've got another little tiny package, which are pretty useless, of the Nutrimetics Midnight Radiance Night Cream. I have to be really careful with Nutrimetics. For some reason, a lot of their products irritate me. I don't know what it is, but I've always had to be a little bit careful of that. And I also got a sample of the Marc Daniels Professional Lush Luminous Blonde Leave-In Toners. Now, that's actually really cool. I will go blonde again at some point. I generally go between brunette and blonde quite regularly. So that's definitely something handy to keep in the cupboard for when I do. So if we look at the prices, I forgot to tell you the prices of the other things. The lip pencil is $16 Australian. A 25 pack of those charcoal wipes is $6. So we're looking at a fifth of that, so $1.25, $1.20. Sorry, I've been talking for a while, just needed a drink. The Marc Daniels Professionals, 150 mils is $14.99. So we've got 25 mils, two 25 mil samples. So we've got, you know, a few dollars worth of product there. And then a 75 mil of the Cancer Council moisturiser is $14.95. We've got about a quarter of that. So when you look at the value of the box, you know, it's not a high value box this time round. We're definitely under $50. But I like the makeup component of it. As I said last time, they got a bit skincare heavy there for a while, and I have these boxes full of skincare samples that I need to use. So I much prefer getting some different makeup in them to use. So that is pretty much my unboxing and of those items, and I can now put them away and clean up my room from all of the stuff that I have from coming back from holidays. So thank you for checking in, and remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, you know, that stuff. And be kind, be strong, and be a warrior, and I'll see you later. Bye.